Today I'm going to go over how to change an engine air filter, which is right here on a 2024 Toyota Corolla. This is a 12th generation, so let's jump into it. This is what I love about Toyota. Super simple. We got a clip here, and then there's the same style clip right here on this side. That flips down, and we just lift up. There are these two notches. There's one on each side of here. So when you lift up, you kind of have to pull forward to get that out. But pretty much that's it. We can lift this up just enough to sneak our air filter out. Boom, there we go. And this is the direction it goes. The seal is side up. So we snake our new filter in there and put it in. I'll put a link in the description for a filter. And then the trick is lining. When you go to put this back up, you got to put a little bit of downward pressure to line those guys up. And then you got your clip here. Oh, that flipped over. So that needs to be on this side. Boom, that clips there. And then we have our other clip over here, which I'll show you this guy over here. Boom. And that guy clips into place. And that's it. We're all sealed up. That's how you do an engine air filter on a Toyota Corolla. This is a 2024, but this is the same, I think, for 2019 to 2025. It's the 12th generation Corolla. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.